The first thing that you do when you get a crystal is you want to cleanse your environment, because you want to make sure that you bring your crystal into clean and pure energy. Once your environment has been purified, the next step is to grab your crystal and you want to cleanse that as well. This is a Native American cleansing and purification technique that's been used for hundreds and hundreds of years. So once that you have both your environment cleansed and your crystal cleansed, now is the time for you to give your crystal a job. It's really easy to do. All you have to do is pick it up. You could place it over your heart or just hold it in both of your hands and think about an intention. Think about something that you want to manifest and create in your life. And then you're going to program that intention by either saying it out loud or thinking it. Ideally, it's better to say out loud because your voice has energy and that helps to program the crystal at a deeper vibration. Why is it so important to give your crystal a job? It holds the space for you when maybe you forget.